Hmm. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 217 which contains duplicate. So let's understand the problem statement first. We are given an integer array nums. Our task is to determine whether any value appears at least twice in the array. Return true if any duplicate element exists, and if false if all elements are distinct. So the approach will be by using hash set we can do. Then the idea is simple. As we traverse the array, we store every element in a set. Okay. Before inserting an element, we check whether it already exists in the set or not. If it already exists, it means we have found a duplicate, so we return true. Otherwise, we insert it into the set and continue it. After that, we're finishing traversing the entire array without finding any duplicate. So we return false. The approach allows us to check duplicate efficiently. So let's write the code accordingly. The class solution public and the function name is already written by the lead code. By using unordered set, I have already mentioned we are doing the code. Mhm. Unordered, unordered set and and the we created an unordered set named S. The set will store all the elements that we have already seen. A set store only unique values to make for sure. Okay. Now we'll run the for loop and num take nums only. The for loop is used that we traverse every element of the array using a range based for loop. So in each iteration, the current element is stored in the variable num. After that, we'll write the if condition if s dot find num s dot end. Okay. We check whether the current element already exists in the set or not. S dot find what it does. It searches for the element and s dot end is used to mean the element was not found. If the result is not equal to s dot end, the element already exists in the set. It makes the clear. If this, then return true. Okay. Return true. Since the element already exists, we have found a duplicate. Therefore, we immediately return it true. After that, mm, we closes the if block and now we'll insert num s dot insert num. If the element was not found in the set, we insert it into the set. This ensures it can be checked in future iteration. Okay. So now we have even closed the for loop and if the condition will not be true, then we'll return it false. Return false. So this will be the code. Let's check the code is running or not. Some network issue will be there. Yeah, our code is correct. So let's talk about the time complexity and space complexity. And time complexity will be O of n. Why? Because we traverse the array only for once. And the space complexity will be all elements are unique and get stored in the set only. So there will be the space complexity will be also the same, O of n only. So the conclusion will be we use the hash set, okay, that traverse the array and store each element in a set. Before inserting an element, we checked whether it already exists in the set or not. If it did, we immediately return true. Otherwise, we return false. So thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.